So it's definitely giving, you know, Laneige, Summer Fridays, Ole Henriksen type vibes. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my PR Ipsy Extra for the month of May. I'll pop these right here and we're gonna dive in. Alright, if you missed my previous video, I will also link that, but my previous video is the ultimate box for May. Generally, each month we would receive the extra. When it comes to the ultimate month, we will receive the ultimate in lieu of this particular box. I always feel like I get a great bang for my buck. I'd like to know how you guys feel about subscription boxes. And at the end of this, let me know what you chose. Choice is still open. It is open until tomorrow. We are gonna dive in. It is packaged well with a piece of foam and stuff like that. We generally get our little informative pamphlet or a card or something like that. And then for the theming this month, May 2026, the art of the everyday. This month, we're exploring our favorite beauty trend of all, finding what works for you and wearing it with confidence over and over again. And then we generally get kind of a sneak peek, you know, maybe why they chose the products that they did. We do have a QR code we can scan to get more information about our own products. And then also some sneak peeks. The ultimate box was absolutely incredible. I do also have a giveaway over in that video. So if you want to hop over to that video when you're done here, there's a giveaway over there. All right. First up, right on top, we have something from Laura Geller. This is the Wearables Pinking of You 12 multi-finish eyeshadows. And I feel like I've been seeing Laura Geller a lot, specifically shopping like the Ipsy sales and stuff like that. I have watched and followed Laura Geller for many, many years. I'm an old school QVC hoe. Anybody else? So I'm quite familiar with her and her brand. All right, we have just a very soft, neutral leaning palette. Keep in mind this is upside down. Not really something that kind of calls to me. You guys know, I like a lot of depth. I like a lot of contrast. I like the bells and the whistles. Not that there's anything in the world wrong with this. They do have really nice quality, and I think this is going to appeal to a lot of people. I am actually going to stick this palette in with yesterday's giveaway. So again, hop on over to the ultimate unboxing. This will also go into that giveaway. Next up is the Lithe or Lid, the Hydra Gloss Nourishing Lip Treatment. Ooh, that sounds amazing. In the shade Plush. I feel like they are another staple. We get quite a few products from them. I do also like the addition of the expiration dates here. I know that a lot of people kind of have the feeling or have the notion that subscription boxes will generally have like older stock, which sometimes that can absolutely be the case. I personally don't mind that. I just am mindful of, you know, consistency changes, scent changes, discoloration, and things like that. Because if that were the case, you guys, then TJ Maxx and Marshalls and places like that wouldn't exist. So it does not personally bother me, but I do understand that some people they're very leery because of that reason. So it's definitely giving, you know, Laneige, Summer Fridays, Ole Henriksen type vibes. Oh, I love applicators like this. It does have the nice cooling applicator on it. I will kind of squeeze a little bit up. It does seem a little bit more dense than some that I've tried. And like the actual color, and like there would actually be a little bit of color payoff on the lips. I don't really smell anything at all. I like them to smell yummy, but I'd rather them smell like nothing than smell horrible. So far okay, not blowing my socks off, but look, nothing's gonna compare to the ultimate, you guys. It was just that darn good. Next up, we have some Misho Beauty brushes. We have a little two-piece set. They're a beautiful, soft, kind of heathered gray. And it is face brushes. I am somebody that firmly believes you cannot have too many brushes in your collection. Next up is the Fab or First Aid Beauty. This is the Daily Resurfacing Lotion with 2% niacinamide. And you do want to use caution in using products like these, retinols, AHA, BHAs, things like that, that if you do use these, start slow. Do 1 or 2 times per week. Get your skin used to these types of products, and always, always, always use sun care when you are stepping out into the sun after using products like this. And then last but not least, we do get 5 full-size products here. We have a massive product from Rare Beauty. This is the Find Comfort Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash. That is enormous. And I actually received the body cream in my ultimate box. So this I think is going to be so fantastic together. If you've tested this, definitely let us know. So I'll break that down very quickly one more time. We got a Rare Beauty Find Comfort Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash. We got the Laura Geller, the Wearables Pinking of You 12 Multi-Finish Eyeshadows. This is going to go into the giveaway for our previous video. We received our Fab, or First Aid Beauty, the Daily Resurfacing Lotion with 2% niacinamide. We got our Yummy Lip Treatment from Lithe or Lithe. This is the Hydra Gloss Nourishing Lip Treatment. And last but not least, we received 2 face brushes from Misho Beauty. I think these are really, really stunning. I'm going to give like a 4.2 out of 5. I definitely think because of the ultimate box and it being so incredible, you guys, my paid for box also, I actually made my choice this month. Fantastic as well. But I think because of how incredible that was, this is still great. It's still really, really nice. But it doesn't top that one, you guys. Again, I would like to know what you guys chose for your choices in your box. What are you going to be receiving this month? Are we box twins? I'd like to know. Thank you so, so much for joining. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you're warm wherever you are, because we went from 90 degrees to 50 degrees. Anybody else? That is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. Thank you, of course, to Ipsy for gifting. I will have my link to sign up in the description box, as well as in a pinned comment. I do earn a small commission, so if you do sign up using my link, thank you in advance. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe below if you did enjoy. You can hype the video, you can tap the bell so you never miss any of my videos, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Don't forget to go pick your choices. Bye, beauties.